Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Aaron, and in today's video, I want to just talk about mindset and how important it is to have the right mindset as a marketer because no matter how many leads you have on your list, no matter how big your Facebook following is, your Instagram following, your TikTok following, whatever platform you are getting your leads from, if you're not giving the right content to the right people, obviously you're not going to make the kind of sales that you are hoping to. And so a lot of times we kind of fall into these traps of kind of following this shiny object and trying to kind of find the next biggest thing. But what I have found over the years is the more you just focus and you find the one thing that works for you and you're delivering the right message to the right people, then you can have a lot of success. And so just kind of going back to an early stage in my life, and one of the reasons why I want to talk about mindset is because something that happened to me early on in my life, I actually had something very tragic, which was I got in a really bad jet skiing accident and I almost died. And it scared me so bad that literally, it changed my mindset. It changed the way I kind of behaved in the rest of my life, and the decisions that I made throughout my life. And so that moment, while it was tragic, it did inspire me to do a lot of things. And one of those things was actually to help other people and to just spread these messages of, trying to pass along information. So I've spent a tremendous amount of my life just learning as much as I can so that I can then, get good at specific things and then pass that on to others. And, it's kind of crazy because while I'm incredibly grateful for everything that has happened in my life, I look back and there are times that I've gotten like super, super depressed about things. And I always know, like, my belief is that when you start feeling that kind of depression and you're not happy where your life is going or what you're doing in your life, that tells me, and that's like a trigger for me that I know that I'm doing the wrong thing. And then I need to sort of shift my mindset once again and then figure out a way to, change what I'm doing and make little baby steps or whatever, just to sort of get back into the routine of what I'm supposed to be doing. And so I really do believe that all of us have a grand path that we're supposed to be on. I believe that all of us have a God-given talent of some sort that maybe you haven't found yet, or maybe you just haven't discovered it yet. But, it's just a matter of trying a bunch of different things until you find that one thing that you actually really love. And trust me, I have spent thousands upon thousands of hours and days and months and years, literally probably the last like 15 to 20 years, trying all kinds of different things, trying different careers, trying different techniques in marketing and just really learning a whole variety of different things just so that I can improve my skill set, better myself as a person, but also just, try to find that one golden ticket that helps me propel my business to success. And while, I think being a marketer, we're always learning, but I mean, you just have to have that hunger and that drive. And that's kind of what also happened to me during that tragic event, is that it propelled me into wanting to constantly learn, to just, acquire a ton of information so that I could pass it on to others. And the reason why I'm mentioning all this stuff is because as a marketer, you do have to have that mindset to be constantly hungry for information and to learn a lot of the new trends. And so, there is a big learning curve when it comes to getting into digital marketing for the first time. But once you learn some of the basics, it's just a matter of like updating a few skills here and there over time. And so, the main thing and the main message that I want to kind of send here in this video is that whether you want to grow a big email list or whether you have a large Facebook following or a large TikTok following, you have to be able to deliver the correct content to your list. And so I think being authentic, telling stories, letting people connect to you on a deeper level and understanding that, you are a real human being, then you can build up that know, like, and trust factor. And it's much easier to share content and to share your knowledge. And then basically at that point, you're not selling anything, right? So, I have never been a person who has gone and done hard sales. I'm not throwing products or content in people's faces and telling them, hey, sign up to this thing or buy this thing. And as a matter of fact, I really don't even have any courses that I've ever sold. I tried to build courses a long time ago, but after building them and finishing them, I actually realized that it wasn't the path that I wanted to go on. I actually enjoyed more just sharing content, helping other people, and basically just being a coach to people that wanted to hear what I had to say. And so I really like that idea better. And if you look at what's happening globally to a lot of the markets now, bigger brands more and more are going into influencer marketing. They're finding people on YouTube or on different social media platforms that already have a large following, and then they're getting their message in front of those people because that they know that brands can sell better through like real people that actually have a connection to the audience. Because as a big brand, you may not have like a one-on-one conversation with a customer, whereas an influencer can have that one-on-one conversation. And so that's just going to continue over time. It's just going to get bigger, and marketing is growing at an enormous rate. And so if there's anything that you guys want to do online and you want to make money online and you want to learn digital marketing, I highly suggest you do it, because it's an industry that's just going to continue to grow. And it's just it's something that it's not very hard to get into. It's just there's a learning curve, and then once you get past that, you can really do anything. And there's so many brands now and so many companies that need marketing, and so this is basically a high income skill that you can use to grow your own business and grow your own just your own personal knowledge and your own skill set, and learn something that's very highly valuable. So anyway, guys, without making this video too much longer, I hope that there was something in this video that inspired you. And if you're brand new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I do want to continue releasing more video content as much as I can every single week. And if you're looking for an opportunity and you're wanting to get into digital marketing and you want to make an online business or create something new or new stream of income for yourself, I highly recommend you check out the link that's in the description of this video. It's called the 15-Day Challenge, and it's a super cool program that will change your mindset and get you thinking about maybe a new business strategy for yourself, for your family, and to help you increase your income over the next few years learning digital marketing. So with that being said, thank you guys for checking out this video, and hope to see you soon in the next one. All the best.